It could be a little sharper. I'm getting a lot of dust off of there. So let's see if we can sharpen that thing.
What grit is that grit?
This one is a 180, and then the one on the other end, I believe, is a 350.
Are they both CBM?
They are both CBMs. They are. This would be a good time to show a trick. One of the problems you're going to have on this is keeping it straight this way, right? This is called a multi-tool. It drops into the slot right there and slides back and forth. If you put a little bit of slick stick on here, slides back and forth a lot easier. This sits on top of it, and it has a rounded, a V, and a flat. If you put that on there, and then you put this on there, you can get down there and you can hold it like this, drop it in that slot, and in this case we're going to use the 40 degree. But the thing is, now I can put my finger against it and it holds the tool perfectly square. So now I don't have to worry about it. If I didn't do that and I grind it on an angle like that other one was, it'll tend to skew off this way or that way, right? This way it'll be completely square to the wheel. So let's see if we got it right. So all I have to do is just hold it against the jig, hold some pressure on it. I'll pass this around a little bit too. Now let's see if it cuts. Sorry, but I need just a little bit of light. A little bit of difference. Almost cut now. Now, if I was going to cut a tenon on that, I'd just slide over here somewhere.